These Swedish pastry are the common name is Hallongrotta. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious thumbprint cookies. Alright, the first thing, you want to preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start with a stick of unsalted butter that has been brought to room temperature. We're just going to put it into the mixing bowl. And to that, I'm going to add in 1 egg, has been also brought to room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and put a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm also going to put 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm also going to put 2 tablespoons of corn starch and 1/4 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to be using kosher salt because it has a pure and natural, that'd be good flavor. Now you want to take your hand mixer, you want to beat that really well. You can also use a wooden spoon to do it by hands as well. So let's get this to beat. Here we go. Isn't that fast? Now, I just like to scrape in the sides of the bowl that I already did that to get all the excess of the raw flour because we don't want to flies everywhere. Now, you make sure you can see form into a cookie dough. This is going to be my fast cookie dough. So once you form it into it, we're going to spoon those onto the cookie sheet. I like to use with a smaller size of an ice cream scooper. I'm going to go ahead and scoop all the cookie dough. Now you're going to shape it into the ball. You're going to put it onto the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, or you can also use a silpat. You have to make sure to put 1 or 2 inches apart will make some space. Then press a light indent of each with your thumb. Alright, just all done. Then you want to fill a half teaspoon of Seedless Red Raspberry Jam. I'm going to use it with the Smuckers. Or you can also use any flavors of the jam or jelly, which include blueberries, apricot, grape, strawberries, even blackberries. So, I'm going to take a half teaspoon of that. Fill it right, has been already done. After you just fill on the cookie dough has been already done well. So next you're going to bake this for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, let's go into the oven. Let's put the very gently right over here. Slide that into it. Close that. I'm going to set this timer for 12 to 15. I think the cookie is just ready after it's about 12 to 15 minutes. I'm just going to take this out of the oven. Isn't that smells great? I just transferred the cookies onto the wire rack from the cookie sheet after it's 12 to 15 minutes to bake. So we just want to let them cool for 20 minutes. Now, here's the fun fact. Did you know Hallongrotta is the name of a common Swedish pastry? The name means raspberry cave in Swedish. In the United States, they are known as thumbprint cookies. Similar cookies sold in Australia are known as jam drops. The cookies are similar to shortbread cookies with an added filling. It is an easily baked molded cookie flavored with vanilla. The cookies are typically made with butter, flour, baking powder, sugar, and vanilla. The cookies are usually filled with raspberry jam. So here you are guys, I just made 19 thumbprint cookies that after it's cooled for 20 minutes on the rack. I just plate it up, then be ready to have something to very delicious. And here is the finished thumbprint cookies. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. View always before sharing. Subscribe to my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, enjoy.